Some homes are admired, others become iconic, and this perfect example could be your home. Set within the prestigious Anahita Golf and Spa Resorts, this architectural masterpiece embodies world-class lifestyle living and immersive contemporary design. Going through the front door as you step through the grand entrance, you are welcomed into a perfectly composed arrival experience, where raw concrete textures, refined timber detailing, and lush tropical greenery exist in effortlessly harmony. Positioned on an expansive 2,195 square meter plot with an impressive 969 square meter of built area, this residence offers remarkable scale, privacy, and seamless indoor-outdoor living. An exceptional 5-bedroom family home, thoughtfully designed to deliver both space and intimacy, combining striking architectural expression with a warm and inviting atmosphere. Masterfully crafted to balance man-made and nature, this villa constantly balances between warm and cold visual palette from meticulously curated organic materials, rich textures, and contrasting elements. The ground floor features 2 luxurious ensuite bedrooms, a private cinema room, elegant living spaces, and a sleek, open-plan, fully equipped kitchen. Expansive floor-to-ceiling windows open onto a stunning outdoor living with a resort-style pool, sun deck, and lounge areas fully designed to enjoy the Mauritian lifestyle. Upstairs, 3 additional ensuite bedrooms enjoy private balconies overlooking the tropical surroundings. The master suite offers a walk-in dressing and panoramic views of the Indian Ocean from its exclusive terrace. Beyond its architectural excellence and exceptional lifestyle offering, this iconic residence also gives you access to a Mauritian permanent residency. This is a rare opportunity to own a home within one of the island's most exclusive and sought-after coastal community. It was Thomas with Luxury Listings, and don't forget to subscribe for more luxury content in Mauritius.